Introducing the Hurricane 3-Step Wet Polishing System. It's called the Hurricane 3-Step, but if you really want to get the most out of this system, the optional Position 0 is key to the overall shine. The Position 0 preps the edge by removing all the deep scratches. In addition, it will preserve the overall life of the pads. Using this Position 0 will really extract the shine from the stone because it was custom designed to work together with the other grits. The Hurricane 3-Step polishing system will cut your polish time in half and will outshine all the other grits that you are using right now. As we dry this edge with the air hose, you can see that the Hurricane 3-Step system gets you to 80 on the gloss meter. And this is unbelievable for an economically priced 3-step system. Cyclone, the #1 brand in stone.